up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today's going to be an awesome video, guys. A client of mine hit me up and he said, yo Chris, I got a brand new ride, just picked it up from the dealership straight to his driveway. It's an awesome BMW X5 M Sport. First, let's grab the mats out and clear anything else, anything, personal belongings, garbage, anything like that we need to take out the car. So, it's a quick tip, guys. These bimmers, especially the M's, when you're taking out the mats, they're connected by Velcro to the floor here. Be careful when you're ripping it out because it's very sticky. You don't want to rip this actual part out. I've seen cars where this whole piece of the Velcro right here is actually out, and that's from someone not taking their time with the mat and just pulling it, being too rough with it, and ends up pulling this out. Last thing you want to do is damage your client's vehicle, right? So you just take your time and make sure you take the thing out properly. People, the wheels are all done, so we're gonna rinse, foam up, going with some brush work, rinse off again, and then do the contact wash. But while I'm on camera right now, let me just say PSA, all you guys out there, one of the reasons I started this channel is to actually hopefully eventually form a community of people who like cars, detailing, whatever car related, or just people who just want to hold a good vibe in general. Let's check out the the channel. Feel free to drop comments, ask questions, give me some tips. Like I said, I do this for a living, yes, but I'm always learning every day. So if you guys out there feel like you want to share some tips with me, please feel free to do so. You know what I'm saying? It's all about good vibes over here, man. No bad vibes, no mean mugging, none of that. We're just detailing cars, having fun, working hard, providing for the family. That's how we do it over here. Team Car Chris said that. Mad. Woo. Home time, guys. Yeah, guys, during the contact wash, you just want to use gentle but straight movements, you know. You don't want to go in rings that can cause swirls. You just want to flip your mitt, tuck it inside, just keep it, straight, nice movement. Got our high quality drying towel. Want to hit the windows first, most likely, because on those areas you can see the water spots a lot easier than on the paint. And with the panel so hot right now, the car is drying on its own so quickly, but it might tend to leave some water spots, so you gotta work fast so you can avoid that. Yeah, guys, that's a wrap on the BMW X5 M Sport. You don't know, I think this will add a nice little vibe since it's a new car and all. Shout out to my boy P down there at Premier Tax USA in Miramar. Big up yourself every time. I hope you like how the vehicle turns out. You guys out there on YouTube, let me know what you think of the aftershots. You already know it's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again. Nothing but good vibes. Like, subscribe, share up the thing. You already know the vibe. Bless.